So I've just homed the machine, and I've also installed the tool height setter, and now I need to set within the controller the parameters for the tool height setter so that it can detect the tool length. So I've done a tool change to tool 1, which for me is a wiggler, and I've located that approximately in the middle of the tool height setter. I need to come to offsets and then auto tool S. That will bring up the dialog for where the sensor is. Now if I jog workpiece coordinate, tool speed 3 to 400 is fine. I'm going to change this one to 400. You'll see it's entering down here, and I can go data input. If I go to my X position, I've got that on the machine coordinates here. So about 6 mils. I'm going to make that 6 data input. Now it's asking me for a password. Password is 769816. That's the administrative password for this controller. Data input. So now I can make that my 6 mils. My Y position. Again, negative 24.7. Negative 24.7. Data input. My Z position is where does the tool wrap it down to before it starts searching for the sensor, and the Z lowest position is where is the absolute bottom point where I no longer want to search. So I'm just going to leave those parameters where they are for now. So now that I've set that, I'm going to hit manual and then jog up, and then I'm just going to jog over to the side somewhere, and same on the Y axis away from where the tool setter is. Now I'm going to do a tool measure, so I can go start set. Please operate in MDI mode. MDI mode, tool set. Are you sure you want to go? Yes. So it'll slowly lower onto the probe, onto the height setter. It'll detect it, back off it, and then search for it again. And then it'll check it a second time. Now if the values between the first check and the second check are not within acceptable parameters, then it will come up with an error. So it's a very thorough and robust way of setting the tool height. So now we can check that by just going to offset, and you can see in the tool table here, it's got the offset from what tool 1 is.